Today I'll show you some killer licks to level up your solos. These repetitive licks are one of the most powerful tools you can add to your solos. They create tension, add intensity, and it's a technique that has been used by the most legendary guitar players, and today you'll learn how to do it. The tabs are in a free PDF, the link is in the description. Let's get into it. This repetitive lick is in position 1 of the pentatonic blues scale. I'll tell you this because that's how you know how to easily transpose it to other keys. It starts on the 10th fret of the 3rd string, and then it goes to G and A flat on the 13th fret. Then we move to the 2nd string on the 10th fret, the A, and then back to the 3rd, and here's where the tension starts to build up. We'll repeat that up and down thing twice and basically start the lick again, but this time we'll skip to the 1st string for the 2nd round. It works really well to build up tension before, for example, a bend. And you can transpose it to any first position of the pentatonic in any key. You can play it entirely with alternate picking. The tricky part is the string skip from the 3rd string to the 1st. This next one is in the 2nd position of the D minor pentatonic. I'll do all the examples in D minor so you can practice them all together. This one is very straightforward. It's a very simple sequence but super effective. It starts on the 15th fret of the 1st string and pulls off to the 13th fret of the 1st string, F in this case. We do the same on the 2nd string and play one note on the 14th fret of the 3rd string. Then we start the lick again, but this time from the 13th fret on the 1st string and go down to the 12th fret on the 3rd. And we go up from there and start repeating. It's very easy. It's all hammer-ons and pull-offs. The trick here is that every note must sound clean to create that cascading effect. This one is all about speed picking. The pattern is simple, it's in the 5th position of the pentatonic blues scale. We go from D to F on the 3rd string, and from there to the 2nd string where we will play these 3 notes, G, A flat and A. Up and down. And F again on the 3rd string, and that's it. Copy paste, play and repeat. This is the picking pattern, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. This one is super fun because it tricks the ear. Again, 1st position of the scale. Here's the part that tricks the ear. We feel that the lick will repeat itself without changing, but it has this little change of direction in the middle. You can add that change of direction as many times as you want. Now this is the last lick, and all these repetitive licks gave me some serious My Sharona solo vibes. So here's a lick in the D natural minor scale that resembles some of the licks in that solo. This is a pedal note lick, being the pedal note A, in this case, 10th fret on the second string. So that note keeps repeating while the melody moves in the first string. Again, mostly legato, clean notes, clean changes. These are killer licks to include in your solos. The tabs are in the free PDF, the link is in the description. And if you want to learn how to shred your pentatonic scale, this is the video to watch. I'll see you there.